Everyone, this is great. Hello, hello everyone. Welcome to the live show of Aoqun Brush. I am the host, Great. Today I'm going to show you more about the vacuum cleaner brush. And last time, maybe some of you have already watched our live show. And last time I also introduced the vacuum cleaner brush. But this time we will show you more details. And at first, let me make a brief introduction to the Guangzhou Aoqun Brush. Aoqun Brush is a professional manufacturer of the brush products. We have been working in these industries for more than 15 years. No matter what kinds of brush you need, Aoqun Brush can always provide a suitable solution for you. And now you can look at these brush products in front of me. And okay, let me introduce them to you one by one. And look at the ones near to me. This one. This is the floor brush. Yes, this one. This is the metal backing. The metal backing strip oval brush. And this is the strip brush. Yes. And this one with the banking pass. Okay. And this one maybe look at this is more obvious. This is the brush roll with the plus. Yes. These brushes are usually used for water absorbing water. Yes. Not only it can be used to clean the dust. It can also use to drive your form. And this brush, this is the brush pile, and this brush pile is different with the weather strip of the doors and windows. It is mainly used for how to say the nozzle part, and its material is also different with that door seals. And okay, this one is also the brush pile, and this is the side brush, and I guess most of you are familiar with this one because because more and more families have a Robert vacuum cleaner at their home. So this brush you can see more openly. And okay, this brush is also the brush roll, but the brush inside is the twisty brush like that twisty brush inside, and there is a mold to fix it inside. So okay. And this one is the stable set brush. Yes, hair planting. Yeah. Different colors. Okay. And then now today we mainly focus on 3 questions. The first question is, what material can be used for the brush? And the benefits and features of different types of brush. Okay. Yes. Today, the main roles is what we are going to introduce today. This one, the metal backing brush. Yes. And some of you may have the question, what material is recommended? Yeah. And usually we mainly have 3 types to recommend you. First type is the nylon, that is the PA, and another type is the PP, that is polypropylene, and also the horsehair. You can see the horsehair. And what are their advantages? You may know. And let's talk about the PA first. The PA brush, it usually the PA our PA brushes usually have a good flexibility, and it is because of it is very pure, because the material is pure. So it is when you sweep it, you will feel it very soft, and because of that, it can have a good durability and flexibility. So and our PA brushes also pass the test of 1 million times of 1 million fission tests. Okay, and then that is the PP brush. The PP brush. What is the feature of PP brush? You may know the PP brush doesn't have a good durability as the nylon, but the PA brush, the PP brush usually. Some audience say they can hear me clearly, so I think I better wear the headphone. Okay, the PP. Let's continue the PP brush. The PP brush, and because the PP brush is better for the humid circumstance, and because the PP brush the PP brush also have a cheaper costs than the PA, so it is also very popular among the market. And now it's the horsehair brush. The horsehair. Why some customers will choose horsehair? Because the horsehair, you can see the horsehair brush it is really thick. Yes, the thicker is the brush, and it will make it have a good performance in the cleaning. And also the animal hair, the horse hair, is also very soft. It is almost same as our nylon. Yes, and it can also the horse hair is also it also has some function of the elastic, anti-static, anti-static. So some clients they may choose the horsehair brushes for their nozzle. And I just now I forget to say the brushes can be the human make bristle, the brief PB and PA can be also this is the straight bristle, and it can also be made to cream. Okay. So after knowing what material we can supply you, and as well as their advantage. So if you have any other if you need any other suggestion, you just need to inquire with us. And now let's come to the last question. The last question. That is the parameter. What parameters are needed for brush customization? Yes. If you want to customize the brush, what you need to give us. As a matter of fact, you don't need to give us anything. You just need to give us the nozzle part, and then we can make the nozzle part. We have one. Yes, you don't have to give the brush to us. You just give us the nozzle part, and then we can design the suitable brush for you. But But if you do want to let us make, but if you have already have your supplier for the brush and you want to change the supplier, and what the parameter you need to give us includes firstly is the backing part, the base width and base height, and also the bristol length, the total height. We also call it total height, and the total length of the brush, total length. How long you want? How long? Yes. And also you can tell us the shape. This is the oval shape, right? And we also have the round shape like that. This is the round shape. Yes, this one. Yes, this is the round brush. Yeah, you tell us the shape you need, and we can do it for you. And also the material just to be same. You want PA, PP, horsehair, or PBT, something else we can do for you. And also, and if you need there is some banking part. We can also bank punch for you like that. Yes. Yes. Lots of punching. Lots of punching part. Okay. Now, so you know how to customize a brush. In fact, customize a brush is an easy thing for us as long as you have a demand. Just share with us. And now let's move to the third question. The third question is how to judge a brush is good or bad or not. But this question is a little objective, I think. And if you for common consumer, you may wonder it is difficult for you to tell whether the brush is good or not only with eyes, and you need to do some simple tests. Firstly, you can burn the brush, and I can promise you, the PB and PA brush, our PA and PB brush, when you burn them, you can always see the white smoke, but some inferior material, you can see some black smoke. So that is the first point. And the second method, you can try to test the resistance of the brush with your hands. You can test and whether it will be recovered after you sweep it. Yes, if your the brushes you buy doesn't have a good resistance, that means you may find a brush is not so good quality. And also how to say, how can we do to judge a brushes is good or not, is good or bad? Do you have any idea? Let's think. Okay. Now let me turn on my phone, and then we can see if our customer has any question. We still have time, so I think. Okay. Yeah. Uh, let's see. Maybe some of you are the rooster just watching our show. If you are not interested in the vacuum cleaner brush, you can also ask any brushes you like there. Oh, let's see. Oh, just now I see a visitor called Jessica. Seems interested in the prices of our brush. And for the Dyson brush, yes, for the Dyson brush, we also have some brushes that may be used for the that may be designed for the Dyson. But if you want to read the price, you want to read the prices, you can inquire with our service person later in the platform. Okay, you can check with us through our website. Our website is www.aoqunbrush.com, and you can also search, search about us in Alibaba. Any other question? Because I can see the question in only through the platform, so I need to wait for our college to send me the question. Okay. Okay. Uh, okay. Let's talk about this one. This one. Yes. And before introducing more vacuum cleaner brush to you, today we also invite our QC manager to do a tension test for us, so you can test. You can see whether our brushes have a good quality. Okay, let's invite him. Okay. Yes, this is our QC manager, Mr. Zhou, and this is the tension equipment it used to test the tension. Now we begin to do the test. Now, before doing the test, we need to choose a small bundle of for the pistol, and then we use some sticker to bunch them. Now we visit in the facility. set the number to 0, and then we can start to do the test. Okay, let's see. Yes, we should 10 kilo we should 10 kg. Yes. Yeah, it is bigger. It is almost reached health. Now we use a bigger brush. Yes, let me take a picture to show you. Yes, you can see. It is 6 kg. Yes. Because these brushes is the small brushes. Its base weight is less than 4 millimeter. So when we also have our standard for the tension. And now we test a bigger brush. Now we begin to push the brush. Okay, you can see it can reach to 10 kilowatt. This is yes. The result cannot lie to anybody. So the results show our brush tension can reach to can meet our standard. Okay. Thank you, our QC manager. Okay. And now, let's continue to introduce several vacuum cleaner brush. Oh, this one is very heavy. It is made of iron. It's very heavy, very heavy. And this one is used for the industrial vacuum cleaner. Later, I will show to you. Okay, I put it there first. And this one, okay, maybe it's on the way. Look at this stuff. This one is should be, we mainly see these brushes, this nozzle part at home because it is usually used for home use like a vacuum cleaner. And you can see there are two strip brush. One with the blanking and one is only the strip brush. And there is also a wheel on the both sides. So when you clean the floor, you just like that. Okay, just like that. Yes. It can help you collect the dust and collect some small dirt. Yes, like that. Okay. And another one is like that. This should be I think this one should be not the vacuum cleaner brush, but it is the grinder brush used for cleaning the surface of the floor. So we install the brushes there. And then we can use it to collect the dust like that. Okay. You can see different parts. Okay. You don't bring it there. So let's and now this one. You can see the heavy nozzle. It seems that I forgot to bring the brush. Just like that, we install the brushes on there, and then we can use it to clean the floor. Okay. Because this customer, they don't have they only have the mold part. They don't have the joint. So we design the brushes with this tool they send us. So if you don't have a joint, it doesn't matter. We can customize for you with your joint of your tool sample. Okay. Now do we have any other products still unintroduced? Okay, let's see some questions of our visitors. A visitor called Omega. What's our MOQ? Okay, our MOQ for the vacuum cleaner brush is different because it has different shape. You have different shape, but our MOQ can be different too. If you want to know the strip brush, the MOQ for our strip brush is 1,000 meters. But if you want to have this type, the MOQ will be different too. Because we need to make a mold, make a tooling to coil the brush. So the costs will be different too. So we will also consider about it when calculating the minimum quantity. And let's see any other question. What? Okay. Let's see. What are you doing? Okay, I'm introducing the products. And Wendy, a visitor called Wendy asked us, what kind of brushes is more durable? Okay, what kinds of, just as I mentioned just now, what kind of material is most durable? The PA brush, the nylon. because our nylon is made of 100% pure material. So it is flexible. It have a good resilience. It can if you bend. Let me do a small test with the PA brush. Okay. Let me see. Let me choose that's this one. This is the PA brush. No, this one is not a PA brush. Where can I find a PA brush? Here. It's this one. This one should be a PA brush, and we can do a test. And when we throw, we throw the bristol in half. You can see throw. We throw it. I throw it. Okay, I use a bigger brush to show you. And this bigger brush, you can see, I can throw it in half. Yes. Yeah. It seems it is a little deformed, but after I use hands to sweep it, you can see the recovery rate can reach to 99%. Okay. So that's what if you want to select, you want to find a durable brush, the PA is a good choice for you. If you want to make your brush last longer, okay. And let's see any other question from our visitors. Let's spend 2 to 3 minutes to answer the question from our visitors. So if you have any, just send your message there. I'm waiting. Okay. Okay. Bye bye.